and welcome back to Zoo Building. Today we are back here in the real world, in our world. So that's why I said welcome back to Zoo Building. And it is so good to be back, and I've been working on one little surprise, finishing up our house inside, and one surprise outside. So let me just T/9. Okay. And lately, I just wanted to share this right now, so I have it out of the way. But if you're watching this, totally just give it a try, search it up. Search up, it's called, let me just search it up. My tablet's right here, so it'll take me 2 seconds, but I just need to tell you this because it is so amazing, such a good show. Right, it's called Love Is Never Forgotten, and lately I've just been watching Slack Horse series because I'm going to collect them and I need to know. So now let's see them. So I just got my head on the ground so that you guys don't see. Dun 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 dun. See all the chests? It's because I sort stuff, and then we don't need to, like, when we use things, we we don't need to, we can just, let's say we're building an enclosure for baby cats, and we're gonna say they're tigers. And then, oh no! Dang! Now I need to go look in my very messy chests. And you end up looking and you always miss stuff. But if you were looking for, let's say, some chew toys, you could just go right over to Miscellaneous, because that's what it would be in. You could find something. So yeah, that's the indoor surprise. And then, yep, surprise. So he'll probably just be right on the fence. So let me just find the gate. Okay, not over here. Okay, I've got to make sure I don't spoil it. Okay, here goes. Dun, dun, dun! It's Sheepy! Sheepy's enclosure, and Sheepy is officially named Sheepy, and today we're going to find him a mate. So Sheepy's little story is that when I was building the house, he got a cut on his neck because I was just chopping some wood, and then I was going to cut something, and it just cut, and he was right there, and he got a little cut, but he was fine. The only thing was that he had an eating problem, so he could eat grass, but he also needed some daily medication, which I put in with his water and his hay, and in that daily medication, it would help food not just go out this poor little juices and stuff, pour out of his neck, the neck wound, and open up and then pour out of his neck. And then also another thing is that he had to eat certain foods, like some days he wouldn't be able to eat grass, so he would only be able to eat those oats, which I'm calling oats. And yeah, so he's got his little walk-in, and today we are going to find him a mate. We're going to look, and we are going to find him. I was going to bring him with us with wheat, but unfortunately, I'm not going to do that because I was going to bring him with wheat. But then I thought, oh no, he could go loose. He could still run off. And then I was going to clip him on a leash. But I didn't want to bring a sheep all the way because he would probably get unhooked many times. And the horses have moved into herds and just lived in the forest now. So they're sort of one huge herd, but they each sort of have their own little branches. But yeah, I'm not going to kill them like I was going to, because that was my only other option. They sorted it out themselves. So I'm very sad that I killed those 3 or 4. And he's a lone stallion. I think he's the guy who sort of walks past all the mares like, dun dun dun. Okay, so now I'm just gonna, did I already? Okay, well, I think I already told you about the new series, but if not, I'm just going to do that really quickly, because I did have to redo this video, just because of a little error, and now we just need to check. It's called Love Is Never Forgotten, so sorry if I already told you about that, but yeah, I just wanted to share that. So We're looking for a nice sheep. And oh look, there's a dog. Wolfie! I hope I don't run into my sheep when I'm walking him by the ear. Or her, sorry. But yeah, I'll probably be white and I'll dye. I'll grab some dye, just do the give command and grab some dye. And then with the, oh wow, look at that horse. I bet that's a stallion like looking down over the woodland. I need a picture of that. Wait, Horsey, don't move. I need you to look over here, Horsey. Horsey, I got wheat. Okay, well, he's not looking. Horsey. Okay, maybe if I do it from this tree. Oh no. Well, Horsey didn't want a picture. It's okay. Some people don't want to be public. Some animals. Well, I hope we can find a sheep mate because I really want it to be a wild sheep. And we'll make up her own little story. Who knows? Maybe when I bump into her, I'll already know the story because of her destination. Maybe I won't. But, hey, yeah. But totally check out Love Is Never Forgotten. It'll take you 2 seconds. Just write the thing down and look at it for 2 seconds, and it's really good. It gets amazing. But it is a bit violent, but it's not like so violent that none of your parents would let you watch it. But it really tells you how horses think. Guys, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, sorry. Well, guys can be used for girls and boys. Yeah, so guys, just, yeah, watch it. It really tells you guys what in the wild, what stallions finding mares is like. It's like, no eating my sheepy. Oh yeah, and I wolf-proofed his enclosure, so I'm almost certain that no wolves can get in, because a wild wolf would kill a sheep, because they're hunting. I mean, I'm not criticizing them, but they're hunting, okay? And they can do that for any other animal, because every wild animal does that. So sheep, I'm so sorry. I need to get you. Come on. I don't care. If today I don't get it done, I'm going to find him a wild mate. He will not have a spawned-in mate. He'll have a wild mate. And now I'm swimming with the salmon. Oh. But yeah, I am so good to be back, but it was good to have a break, because we might have stuff like that, so that you guys can see what my other videos are like. My other world, I mean. Because my other world I've never videoed on. Yes! We found sheepies! Guys, we found sheepies! And let me just pick out the one that I think that he would love her, I think. So, oh whoops, now they're gonna run away. No, sheepy, don't. Sheepy! Sheepy. Uh-oh, now I gave him my weight. T/. No, give. Come on, hurry up. No, sorry. Hurry up, Bella. Lead, please give it to me quick. Okay, fine. Finally, I found one. So, hopefully the last 5 minutes will just be giving her some nice color and we'll see if they like each other. If they don't, well, that's their choice. I mean, it's not like humans get forced together when they don't like each other. So I won't do the same for Sheepy. My goal in zoo building is treating animals like a human. I mean, a human would never be forced to be with another animal, so I'm not gonna make Sheepy be with her. Yeah, wait, sorry, I just gotta grab my lead rope. Okay, come on, we're almost with your mate. And they will be having children, if they like each other. But that'll be, like, after they get married, and yes, I do this stuff. So, Sheepy is already at the fence line, but let me just sort of... Yep, definitely a girl. Okay. Come on in, this is your new house. Oh no, now I need to... Well, I don't really close the door to their little night house for when it's nighttime because I just don't do it, but T/time Saturday. Now, P/give. You guys probably can't see me doing these commands, but yeah, I am doing commands. So, Minecraft, is it Minecraft? What would I need? Right. Oh, well, actually, I'll just ask for, come on. Orange dye. Here we go. Because she will be orange. Isn't she beautiful? She's orange. And I hope she likes Sheepy. Honestly, I shouldn't have given her color until I knew she liked Sheepy. But I'm not sure if Sheepy's... I think that Sheepy's not completely black. But I really wanted Sheepy to be black. So /give. Yeah, so we're back, and I'm so glad we're doing this, but definitely within the next 5 episodes we'll go out and we'll look for an animal, hopefully a wild animal, and we'll make them one enclosure and one exhibit, sorry. And that'll be our first exhibit ever. And I need to do one exhibit before I'll make it season 2. And there'll be a season finale where we'll look around. Maybe the season finale will be us like look tour our house, see what we've done, and then also the season finale would be then after us just taking a peek at what we've done, we'll go out and we'd search and search and search for maybe 2 episodes, maybe 3 even. And we'll just search and we'll look for a wild animal that needs rescuing. And then what we'll do is we'll remember what animal it is, come home, spawn in an animal like that, and then bring it into its enclosure. And we'll just do it like that so that we don't have to transport it if we're like miles away. Because what we'll do is I won't make you guys sit through us having to walk all the way back home. But my easy way will be I won't sleep there, but I'll make sure I'll sleep in the bed here, and I'll set my spawn point here. And then once we're over there, I'll just click T/kill after I'm sure that I have keep inventory on. And then I'll just die and then leave. Okay. So, oh, right. It's not black dye, it's ink. It's ink sac, because that's what it is for some reason. So, Sheepy, time to determine something. No, Sheepy's black. I don't know, he just looks really, really dark. Like, sorry, gray. But I guess he's just like that. Or maybe you can only dye other types of sheep. Huh. Well, I don't think that it's like that, but maybe, who knows? Tell me if you know. But make sure if you're watching this video, you leave a comment, anything. I really love comments like that because it gives me somebody to talk to. And make sure you comment. I'll try to check it once every day, so just leave it and check back to the next day. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Comment.